Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to install and set up send action automation for workflows. Let's get into that. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install and you choose your account. Then you click on Continue and you click on Allow and Install. Page is going to pop up where you will be able to copy the custom menu link. Then head back to your account. Navigate to Settings. Click on the custom menu links. Then click on Create New. You add an icon. You add it and you paste the link here. Then give a sidebar preference and select an account. And you give a role-based visibility, which is all or any. Then you click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch over to the account. Then you click on the custom menu link itself. You have the first interface of the app. Then click on Continue to set up the app. The second interface is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial video, that's a smart cue, and the walkthrough video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through how to configure and set up this app. We head to the account which we've created online, click on the plus menu and click on settings. Then you click on the API key and you copy your API key, or you can generate a new API key. So let's just go with the one that already exists here. Let's copy this. But in your case, you'll be able to generate a new one. We head back to our account, click on the Start Setup, and we paste. Then we click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully configured. We have the Support Center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and as well book a call. We have the Changelog feature. In this Changelog feature, you are going to track all the new updates and changes made on this app. To receive email, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.